like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new inventory coming in. All late model foreign and domestic vehicles, SUVs, trucks, pickup trucks, special equipment, you name it. Right now you're looking at a Acura MDX. This is a collision damaged vehicle. We'll do a quick walk around. Let me zoom out a little bit. Nice burgundy color. Has a salvage title. It does run, it does drive. Let's take a look inside real quick. Go zoom back in. Still smells pretty new in this vehicle. I believe this is it might be a 2019 or 2020. When we post it on the site, we'll post the correct year, mileage, all the information, price. Let's take a look in the front. Really nice vehicle. It's got a little damage here. Looks like only one airbag is deployed. Seat belt is not locked. The driver's seat belt is locked. Probably because the driver was sitting there and nobody was in the passenger seat. That's what usually happens when you see one airbag and one seat belt locked. Only a single passenger. This is a really nice vehicle, nice wood grain, navigation. Zoom back out. No buckles in the roof. Fender looks okay. Suspension is sitting in place. Really nice. Apron looks good. Let me zoom in. Get a little damage to the radiator support. Radiator and condenser looks good. Take a look under the hood. Zoom out again. Engine sitting nice in place. This looks like the only damage right here. Got into the fuse box a little bit. Let's take a look at the frame rail. Frame rail looks okay. I don't see any damage. Motor mount is okay. Got some damage up here to the apron. So it looks like something hit up high and pushed everything back here in between the headlight and the hood. It's a weird hit, but really nice car, good builder. Pretty easy fix. Windshield is intact too. We'll post it on the website soon. Thanks for watching.